how to turn on the arcade game. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the power. And right here where it says power, there is a hole underneath right here. And if you stick your finger up here, there is a switch. Just flip the switch and the system will turn on. Once the system has turned on, you do have to lift this part to then turn on the TV. So use the remote and turn on the TV. Once you have turned on the TV, gently put that back down, and then you need to wait a moment for the TV to load. Now that your game has loaded, you're going to press, you can use this stick to choose which game you would like. Once you find a game that you would like to play, then all you have to do is press A to select the game. So if we press A, we can select the game. Now that the game has been selected, if you want to exit the game, you press both of these buttons at the same time, and it will take you back to the menu to select a different game. When you're choosing a game, if you want to choose the Sega Classics, you will press A, and it'll give you a list on this side of all the Sega Classics to choose from. If you want to go back to the other menu we were at, just press the B button, and you'll go back to the other menu. When you are all finished playing the games, come back down to the power button and make sure that you shut everything off, and please make sure that the remote control is left with the arcade game.